Lag spikes in FIFA 24 can disrupt your gaming experience, but there are several simple steps you can take to minimize them. Follow this guide to improve your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds meet the game's requirements. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use bandwidth or system resources can contribute to lag. Check for updates and close any software that may be consuming your internet or CPU. Step 3. Adjust game settings. Lowering the graphics settings in FIFA 24 can help reduce lag. Navigate to the game settings and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and frame rate. This can improve performance, especially on low-end systems. Step 4. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and prioritize gaming traffic. Enable quality of service quota settings if available, which can help allocate more bandwidth to your gaming device. Additionally, ensure your router's firmware is up to date. Step 5. Use a gaming VPN. If you're experiencing lag due to high ping or server issues, consider using a gaming VPN. A VPN can help reduce lag by connecting you to a closer server, but choose a reputable service to avoid additional latency. By following these steps, you should experience a smoother gaming experience in FIFA 24. Enjoy your game, and may your matches be lag-free.